Please subscribe YouTube channel Crew Media. Thanks for watching. Attention employees, keep social distance and use mask and sanitizer. Hi, welcome to Crew News. We will get you our company developing news. I'm BTS Sivakumar. These are the headlines. Historical achievement of our operation team at Mundra port site. Palco 1200 mechanical team was appreciated for completion of challenging work. CPP C&A team has taken the service of ESP on time.
Our operation team has made a historical record at Mundra port site. In our site at Mundra port, our operation team had made a historical achievement in cargo handling on 5/6/2021 by dispatching 26,234 metric ton dry cargo from 690 trucks with a setup of tarpaulin through Mundra West Basin Road in one day. The previous day achievement on dispatching of cargo was 25,283 metric ton dry cargo in a single day during the year 2011, which was the highest one. Now, our team had succeeded the previous achievement with their excellent act through efficient deployment of loading equipment by huge feeding. Mundra plant's head, Mr. Harinder Singh, conveyed his wishes and appreciations to our team through WhatsApp as an acknowledgement of our achievement. Our mechanical team received accolades for completing the challenging task at Balco 1200 site. We all know well that our organization has the potential to make impossible tasks into possible. Accordingly, our modification in crusher roll plays an important part at Balco 1200 coal handling plant. Actually, the big size coal, which is brought by conveyor from track hopper and truck tippler, is being broken into small pieces of 30 mm and then being done the stacking and bunkering. While examining this process, our mechanical team had found the excess vibration on crusher A, which is in DE side due to the depreciation of crusher's shaft. Then they explained the issue to our client, but we didn't have new shaft and also not able to take the same out to get repaired during this pandemic situation of COVID-19. By considering the need of its excess function in 1200 RPM, and if we continue to operate this in this condition, it may lead to severe breakdown. Our team had discussed with our higher officials and decided to align the same temporarily. After that, as per the guidance of our resident managers, Mr. Sendil Kumar, Mr. Prakash Kumar Gaur and Mr. Sendamarai, senior foreman, the depreciated places were corrected through welding, metal putty and shaft punching, and also the fluid coupling was also fixed after completing the overhauling. After completing the above modifications, the crusher was operated and the function was examined through condition-based monitoring kit with and without load. After ensured that it is in proper operating condition, it was given for operation. In order to appreciate this most challenging job, Mr. Bimalandu Mohapatra had conveyed his appreciation through an appreciation mail. Further, our resident managers Mr. Sendil Kumar and Mr. Prakash Kumar Gaur has also appreciated our mechanical team. Our C&I team had taken the critical equipment high alert system for service on right time at JSG CPP site. In our CPP site, critical equipment got breakdown frequently, due to which manpower utilization was increased. Our C&I team planned to rectify this issue and explain the risk factors to our client and got approval to do the necessary rectification. After obtaining the approval, our team had taken the critical equipment high alert system for service and repaired it perfectly. Mr. Sujit Kumar Basa, C&I Head CPP Client, our Resident Manager Mr. R. Ashok Kumar and Deputy Resident Manager Mr. Sharavanan highly appreciated our C&I team for their magnificent job.
These are the developed news from Chennai Radha Engineering Works.